Hi, welcome back. I embroider a lot of baseball caps, and sometimes I'm asked to embroider onto the rim, and you can't really do that. And then it got me thinking, there's other ways we can make our hats look unique. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is I'm going to make a cover for the rim. We're going to make the rim a different pattern. So I'm just using some fabric here to trace over it. I tried it with tissue paper or even just paper, but it kept ripping. So fabric was the best way to go with this for me. And I'm just going to feel for where the end is. So I've traced around the whole rim here, right up to the edge. And I'm going to cut it out right at the lines that I made. I'm going to fold it in half to make sure both sides match. So the first one I'm going to embroider onto it, and I'm not going to trace it out or cut out the piece yet. I traced around the pattern we made earlier, and I'm just going to sew right around the bottom here. I'm going to iron on some heat and bond onto each side, going around where we sewed. I'm just going to press the bottom and leave the top. We'll let that cool, and then we'll start shaping the top piece. So I'm just snipping along here. I cut as far as I could feel the rim here, and I just snipped up to there, not going past that. I'm going to fold it down. I stitched the little pockets, and I'm going to sew them on the side here. They're going to be functional pockets. And I'm going to sew right around the 3 sides here. I think the hats look really cute with the little pocket. You can add more to it. I think this is a cute idea. Have one-of-a-kind hats. Let me know in the comments below what you would have done different. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed yet, please subscribe and have a great day. Bye for now.